Malawi Brief.
Popitiriza ntchito yawo yofuna kuti Blantyre aoneke bwino, mfumu ya mzindawu Jomo Osman lero anali pa sukulu ya ukachenjede ya Polytechnic, komwe mothandiza dandana sukulu akhala akukonza malowa. Zambiri mu video iyi.
Yeah, tokuti vamufunga kuti Mungu waibira kuti tinazo gari angu kudonekera ani magai wani okay this side Hey, so this soldier.
Okay.
Why is it?
Sent me to do something and I did.
Leo nilikuwa nduniadileni magazi komanso makasa wazangu mwedili nao asiwonso Blantyre City Council ni mastaff sena akumu basi komanso acheya ngegulu lanu ndi anthu nonse muli pano. Ine kuyambirira ndinyadire, and this is my first time to go up before. And I'm not getting it for granted. You'll be surprised. Why? You know myself, I doesn't have a classmate. But I tell you, I'm starting from today, I'm gonna have my classmates.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I don't want this thing to be the ending. It should be.
It should be shown twice.
Yeah, we started and chizibidirira eti. Osati kupezeke kuti lero tikupanga izi, and we want mobiles to be one of the greenest universities in Malawi.
Yes.
With your mayor, Jomo, is going to support you. And I wanna tell the committee, please, those who are working with us, the students, you should have the names. I know. And then I can't easy. I'm as thinking that is open and shield. But you don't know what happens tomorrow. Because all the country is watching what is happening here. And in the history of Malawi, this is the first time this event will happen at Mumbai. So you know my students, Mumbe kukoma, kuti inusu, mapangana umbili. Mbili yomo mapanganilo mwiziwa. Inuyo ni mundu mmodzi, mumbili ya Malawi, omwe mukasesali modzi, ndi munthu yemwe ali meya, komanso yemwe alibe classmate. Mwamveseni. So inuyo muzifoyilire. Ena ake magayi nache, akuona ngati zopanda pali. Tufuna skulu yathu ino ikhale yobeba, ukonde uzooneka. That's why maona pano, maona ena pali ya NBS, alipo pano. Tikuziwa somi na Standard Bank alipo pano. Ndizomwe tikufuna so inuso ma students. Muzufira, sikuti wango panga support this event ipake pa ya meya ya. Pakaso event ina yake, azibwera amabanki ozati panga support. And ziwezo zoma kufuna Jomo. Tufuna kuti ati nyamada omabukha mbitiz, akale otetezedwa, akale aukondo, akale soziwa kuti zinthu zonse zili pano ene ake ndi inuyo. Kunali ena ake mbuyomo, ntchito yawo inali kuwatcha zinthu zomwe anamanga ena. Koma you are different. You are here kuthandizira kuti campus ino ioneke bo. Sono inuyo ndi lumadolo. Mwasaya ndi ajawo. Kachule ngati. Okay. Nyema amene wandikhulupirira kuti tonse tipanga cleaning popo. Tikamalizanso tionanso kuti acheya ndi gulu lawo kana tikonzera chani. Watikonzera china chani. Ati tikonzera china chani. Ndiye basi tizonana pakena mkoza kuyamba nawo osamaliza nawo. Ndiye msabizika kuti ndiyo mangoyamba mwathawa ena kumapeto kwacha kuona china chacheti. Lerotu ndi Friday. Mawa ndi chani? Zangu yambika izi. Zikombo kwambiri. Nayo wala china chache. Exercise tikuyamba apa. Ndikhulupirira kuti tizabweranso. University yomwe tizapange nayo zakhala mobasi yomwe. Tili kampeni yama university onse omwe ali branch yamo. Chifukwa tizasankhe kuti campus ya cleaning izi. Nena ngapo limachepera. Ineso kutele kupanopo. Oti kamapa kanizikhala kuti ineso niwapa mobasi. Yumane basi. Ndiye tufuna kampeni mine yoyo. Ine chomwe ndikufuna cheya. Tikendi team yoziwika yotizitenga nawo mbali. Choli ngamazo anthu pazaulere amathawa. Akaona kuti palikena akacha mabwera ambiri. Ndiye tikendi list yathu kuti ameya asamayi wale. Zikombo kwambiri.
What is weather? There is no spacing. You need also to get those ones who are at the park. They are complaining, they are saying that they are just shooting the mayor.
So let me know when I'm in your shot, just like this, and I'll know it's you. And I'll step aside.
Hey, Junji gani ndio kuna rafiki gani? Magaena perugira spade.
Awa mwena ubi. Magari kabisa mwana. Usione kabisa mwana kabisa.
Você não vai para coisa, imagem. Você não pode porque eu vou matar a imagem.
What I say? You might have like that you said. Yeah. There you need
Antambi balwa muzi ya bayoka skuba nde balibe ana balibe malwambi komano ari ogantise bwe antone ngabaze ari bwe so integere yokyali komangari neyo lumeza school garanta engineer komano ari malondi ibe mugampasi ari ngamayawo ani bandazi fat singakane tikajukundi yori malobuli I think malena kokaga maputyaza ari mafrasi ga awiri okulibe ana siponazo Indame ya Osa anase jide awo apesa wali. Oye anase jide. Na katika mapo paisi limaona katika baskupa ndo paisi so wali kuti chasa la wamfundi kukulungura moyo.
Ndiye tagambirana ishwina tagambirana madira yangu kutumina katika penye mtu kwamba kuna abandoni so kutazika zizo zote kama student kama ukaji komanso kubikusha busha kuji afuna babu at least kama ngoso yapo komanso bibi
Antu ndama yesesa kwambiri kana efeso batifuta komando ena akapunguka baskuba nokaka hosto yabwino efeso ana anthu kuti kati mapesa pali kodi ndeka phape komeza bedu
open here tukuma
kubwera spero mala
usanga kauli chikopa kibanga
mana unyadi
nakuona no
mwana bambwa sure
So it's my dream to work with them all the time. You know, I have some initiatives that are working in city in Africa. So the campaign is starting today. We have started and we are going to continue. I've been working with the students. I have a lot of programs that I want to do in my programs, I want to say to have a conference where I invite all the youth in Blanta, including the students, so that they should tell us what is the challenges that we are facing in Blanta. You know, one of the challenges that we've been facing is like we don't have a lot of places where we can keep the students. We don't have some hostels. We don't have, you know, in terms also of security, it's very hard. So we are putting all those things in my program, in my vision. I also want, like, when you go around at night, you find here at Mobas it's dark because they don't have some spotlight. I have also talked to the management. We need to find ways where we can bring all those things. That's why today you're going to see there's NPS, there's also Standard Bank, who, when this student comes to me, I tell them, okay, on my own I can't do it. Let me try to find some people who will come in and support whatever they are doing. So we are going to do this thing in partnership with the banks, with the non-governmental organization. I think in togetherness we can achieve. That's all the time I always say that it's not all about Jomo. It's about everyone, the students, the lecturers, everyone. That's why I'm involving everyone when I'm doing this. One of the challenges is about security. So we have started engaging the law force to work together with us. You know, like some months or some weeks ago, you find some students who have been attacked. There's a lot of that. So that's the big challenge. We need to find a way how we can protect these students. You know, sometimes if everything goes well for you or for your kids, you can't feel sorry. But you need to remember tomorrow this thing will happen to your kids. Because all the people who are here, they are not coming from better families. Some of the people come from poor families, but they need to be protected. So, as the city father, I need also to make plans. How can I protect all the students? And the other challenge is like, you know, the youth of Malawi, they don't give any chance to showcase themselves or to showcase the talent that we have. We keep on telling the children, you know, long ago when our parents used to tell us that, hey, my kids, go to school. When you educate it, you're going to become the boss. Now you find a lot of young ones, they finish school, there's no job. That's why we are seeing a lot of students are doing drugs, they're smoking, they're drinking, because of the challenges that they're facing. So it's higher time for us who are in big positions to fight for this. We need to find some solutions how we can help these young guys. Yeah.
That's impressive.
Thank you. All right.
Ndali pambiri unde ya ali mkati mosomo ya segula
Uende uko kila kitu.
aona ula anachanga banja rocket kwa hivi okay drainage imene zikataya mazu akatoya kuzika biro ndio project
Tuende upapa ndone nkati. Asa mama bima matimati.
They're planning to do that.
My engineer, must stop with up with you. What my engineers? My engineers, come on. My engineers, I do this. I'm a must stop with up. Johnny.
I mean, let's have a window.
It's royal. I say, I say, guys, now we're gonna have to go it out. Guys, let's go this side. Yeah. Hey, you got chicken.
Se você querer lá.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go on,
Mea Saranzanga Konsa pepe de mea Utazuka na uone Komanso Bari makasa la ina atatu Utazuka ni makasa So ine magai Tinyaliwe kwa mbili tufanyukila njiro Izizi zomezo kufigira izibanga Eti I think antwena aja samango tijenga kuti Tribe udilo Ifesto tibe udilo Mbazo ajibu mafuta wako Tima siriyani Kuti Hivi ni lero Ena aje akuona nimugira njiro Ngabini zopanda njiro Awakapanga zina ena akuma ena jani Kwa maliwa Inondi numadolo Andi Chomeninga pempi Achea Chairman Ndiku Rose Apureti A presidenti Inesto non presidenti So Apure ndi komiti yanu Tukuziwa zote mukukonza zili zitatu Kama upanga maplani wote mwanji Inenga reformu yanzu and I'm very impressed with this guys You have done something remarkable Don't take it for granted This is the way to go I know there are some of the guys who are going to say that you are fools or you are not clever. To tell you this, you are very clever more than them. Abana, you know, I don't know. I want those who were working. Here, guys. Tuzo azote na makaa kudari kwa mapira. Ameya sana mwili ndijina kaje. Ameya jomanga vangi. Angongeza kama transport. This man got one Yamira. I'm personally using 5,000. Kwani ndoto gani? Kigoletore. Kuna mambo ya kitako. Sio ndoto. So, yapo mba. Hapo mjini. Kutumba sana hizo. Magoroga hiyo. Kabla mule barisi ndio pale Gandarama. Kuna jumani. Amea madani maboza. Kulisa wale maboza. Wila alesa kukapu mwaka hapo. Kulipata hapo. Hapo makini mbo kutabia ila kare mbaini. Tena mbaini. Kuli madaiwa. Kule mbaini. Kama tumekaa joto kwa basi ya bure bila bure sana
Ziko mwambili meatu anazinda no planta ya kwa jole mengiza mambo watu ya so duwena nditogonze sobana samini mwaringa wogao pa mambo so pagenda mapepa la first minute pagenda beba let's get registered as he said we are going yeah mareba la gondao Kildo fulani tulisani. Mareba hana wenda wote tubagenda register as he said we are going to launch an activity group which you want to work with. So we are the one. So you need to get registered and there's a lot of projects that are going to do. So let's get registered. Your phone number is your registration number. Please return them. We want to start them. You get the next time and we're going to do another visit. Please. Let's return those reflectors as soon as possible. I don't have another reflector. Take a running return. Let's return those reflectors.
Osa sunda bomo akala. Amina. Amina. Osa sunda.